Thanks to their MID approval, WAGO energy meters for comprehensive measurement of energy consumption can also be used for consumption billing. WAGO energy meters measure energy directly or via current transformers. Direct connected meters measure current up to 65 amps and differ by their type of connection. Transformer connected meters can be used with 1A or 5A current transformers. Energy quality properties are shown on a full format display. The units can be configured using touch-sensitive controls directly on the product or using a configuration app. Either an M-Bus or Modbus interface can be used for communication. Both energy directions can be measured through two S0 interfaces. The device communicates with your smartphone via Bluetooth. The transformer-connected meter saves space in the control cabinet thanks to its width of 2 DUs compared to 4 DUs for the direct-connected meters. This especially comes into play with DIN 35 rail mounting. WAGO energy meters can be wired quickly and easily thanks to push-in cage clamp and lever. This holds true for solid conductors and fine stranded conductors alike, as well as for conductors with ferrules. C-level cover caps provide protection against manipulation and contact, guaranteeing compliance with the applicable MID directive. If you have any questions or need assistance, go to our website or contact us directly.